The hands-on learning experience at the heart of activity and that seeing is believing are the two guiding principles of global medical learning, in which by this thought, the pre-medical externship program started by Ekal Arogya Prakalp has successfully entered its 5th year. Ekal Health Foundation for Rural India of USA and Arogya Foundation of India Baroda chapter conducted the initiative in Baroda with support from Ekal Arogya Prakalp. On 22nd of December 2019, the program was inaugurated at Hotel Revival Lords in Baroda in the presence of Chief Guest Mr. Jeetu Bhai Patel and other dignitaries. The batch of 9 pre-medical students from different universities of the USA came to India during their winter break with great enthusiasm. They were welcomed by Dr. Mukul Bhatia, Dr. Madhukar Bhatt, Dr. R.N. Mehta, Dinesh Modh, Neena Modh, and Dr. Bhaumik Upadhyay. With NRIs of the USA, the Ekal Health Foundation for Rural India supports different healthcare activities. Under the leadership of Dr. Veena Gandhi, the organization facilitated the visit of the group of USA-based NRI students to Baroda for 10 days. There's so much to absorb in terms of learning about medical science practices and surgeries. The schedule was an interesting mix of information enrichment, knowing the state, its cultural past, and medical learning as well. Academic programs were held in the departments of medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and community medicine at different government, private, and cooperative hospitals. Visit of the Baroda Medical College and Sir Sayaji Rao Gaikwad Hospital gave them great basic knowledge of the medical practices in the Indian government hospital. They also learned principles of India's age-old medical system of Ayurveda and Yoga with its effects on the physical and mental arena. Visit of the private Savita Hospital was impressive as hospitals were clean and well managed. In Parul University, students were given practical knowledge about physiology, anatomy, medicine, and genetics learning in Indian universities. There was also a trip to the majestic Statue of Unity, which is the highest statue in the world, and a remote village of Dandavadi of Dediapara block of Narmada district to learn about village life, culture and traditions. The rural health program was also arranged there. Students had one-to-one interaction with Arogya Sevikas working in the local area. Visit of the Lakshmi Vilas Palace and Fateh Singh Museum in Baroda was also organized. On the very first day of the new year, students got blessings from Swamiji at Ramakrishna Mission with a wonderful meditation session at Ramakrishna Mission, Baroda. The valedictory function was held on 2nd January 2020, where students expressed their experience and satisfaction.
And I met eight really good students from all over America who came also for this program to learn about healthcare and how it works in India.
Each woman is educated once a month on proper hygiene, proper diet, and what to do in the case of an emergency.
Allowed us as US college students to not only see the differences that exist between the US and India healthcare systems, but also between the various systems that exist in India itself.
All participants were facilitated with certificates and mementos. The 5th edition of the pre-medical externship program ended on a note of big success for the organizers and the participating students.